Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while, I've been busy at home. So, here I am right now. So you ready for reaction on I am for the rebuild. You serious? I'm waiting 5 hours ago. Then post. Sure, why not? So you ready? That even more free. What's that?
Hi, Freddy. Oh, hey, Bonnie. Have you seen the night guard? He's not wearing his costume again.
Well, you know him.
Yeah, but we'll find him eventually. It's just difficult with that spare Freddy head he's been wearing.
No.
Well, as you can see, he's nowhere around here, so why don't you go look elsewhere?
Night guard, I'm gonna kick your ass.
That's it.
Fucking God!
Wait, you saw the night guard?
Hi, that's the night guard right there.
Come on.
No, that's just Freddy.
No, he's doing the thing with the spare Freddy head again. You know, messing with your facial scanners. Oh, damn it!
He only won not
Keep
one.
flashing that wretched flashlight in my face.
Including
Well, obviously, you're scaring him.
Scaring him? I'm gonna gouge your eyes out.
Foxy, calm down!
No! I'm the only one in this damn place who can see through that disguise!
Including
Boy, back me up here!
I don't really care if he's Freddy. I'm just trying to get my hands on his sweet, succulent, double-A berries.
I've had enough of this! Show them you're the night guard!
That's a problem.
what the fuck?
You know what? Where's Freddy? There can't be two Freddys,
That
right?
Freddy's so
You
freaking creepy.
Now we've got two Freddys in the room!
That is
Bonnie, oh my God, I will slap you!
Wait, what's going on here?
We're looking for the night guard.
He's the night guard!
Pretty sure that's Freddy.
Oh God damn it! You're Freddy! Where are you going?
you should know that Freddy ate that.
I don't get what's confusing.
Bonnie, listen. Oh wait, what time is it? Hi Mangle, what time is it?
It's about 59.
59? It's me, the night guard!
The night guard?
The night guard?
Berries?
Throw it.
No! I'm Freddy! Right guy? Oh, God!
Oh God. No, that one. I like it with me fitting you friend. Oh yeah, I know that one. You broke my neck. I'm impressed with them. With that Merzone character. There we go. Very interesting video. I like that when they change the Dean East way. Then it changed to the Dean character with freaking look. I like it a lot of effort. I like it. I make sure to watch more of those kind of videos. Thank you for watching this video. So quick to find, we comment, we faith, or we man, we like, so to find. Okay, I'll see you later. Or if I'm able to make fail. Okay?